Alright, what is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to us a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one, today we got an exciting one, today we got a banger.
Well, I hate to throw you guys like right into everything, but it's currently Saturday the 6th. We stayed here the 5th, the night of the 5th, and well, we kind of got right into camping. We got here super late, so we didn't get a time to like really record or show off anything, but let's go over what we got going on. And well, we're gonna have to do this again because we're about to go to another campsite because we're doing different locations. So of course, if you're interested, a like, a comment, and a subscription. I appreciate you guys showing support on these camping videos right now. It is 11:33. We got to be out of here at 1. So Sandy's just eating the last bit of food that we had, watching the show. Then we're gonna break everything down and then head out to restock on food. Everything did good. We have some stuff that we need, so we're gonna go over all of that in today's video. We're gonna buy some of that stuff in today's video. So if you're interested in the camping videos, stay tuned, sit back, get something nice to eat, and enjoy. All right, so just a really quick recap of what is going on. We're at Quito Pico something. We're at a park in the Chesapeake Bay area. Let's just go over how it went down. First and foremost, Sandy did enjoy sleeping here better than she did in the truck.
Yes.
Yeah.
100%.
I personally don't fit too well in the tent, like my feet stick out this way, but there may be something possibly coming to the truck that at first she wasn't a fan of, but now she's considering it. At night, this was absolutely pitch black dark. Like, I kid you not, you could not see Sandy. There's these little clips up here on the trees that I put the light down and it lit up all of this area. It was pretty nicely lit. As far as gear goes, we got our water, and to the person who was upset that we wasted a lot of water, this is where we're at right now after 1 day-ish of using it. Sandy still has a little bit of a heavy hand with the water, not gonna lie. We have an air mattress. The mattress was great. A little bit more flat than it was last night when we started off. Also, we ran into an issue because it has to be deflated before we can actually put it in. So we have to disinflate it and then inflate it inside of there with a manual pump. Surprisingly enough, we went through a whole thing of groceries in one night. We still got our little muffins here. Also, these are still the best. Banana nut, you gotta buy them. You have to try them. Let me know what you think. If you like bananas, and peanuts, if you don't, then probably don't get it. Right now, Sandy is packing and is giving me anxiety, so I'm gonna pack up and get this taken care of. Well, and just like that, we are all packed up, all good to go. Again, always try to make sure that you don't leave any mess behind. Just came by just to double check. As you guys can see, there's absolutely nothing left behind. Now, on to Walmart. All right, so we made our trip to Walmart. It was fairly quick. Now we are at our site and we are about to back in. Hopefully we don't get a flat tire because there are quite a bit of branches, but we're backing in now. Nice. So we're gonna set up tent here. We're gonna leave the truck here. The only downside is electric and water are over there. So now it's time to set up camp, get some stuff charged up because I believe we still need to charge the fan that went dead last night. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road. There we go. So we are pretty much all set up. Now all we have to do is get the mattress inflated, so on and so forth. The rain fly, it works. I don't know how much more needs to be set up, so in the comment section let me know down below. It just has these like 4 little Velcro straps on each corner, and now it's strapped on, and then we go from there. I know some people are going to comment to get a mallet, but remember guys, it's not the size of the hammer, it's the motion in the ocean. Also, Sandy said no to the mallets. All right, so we've got the tent pretty much all set up. I don't want to open it because I don't want bugs to get in. We got the mattress in there looking nice and dandy. Up there, there's a little clip for the fan. Fan is all the way right there. How did it do last night?
Amazingly.
Amazingly. I'm not a big fan of the fan.
I had to cover myself with the blanket because how cold it got.
Now, I don't know if you guys remember, in the last video, Sandy was going on and on about getting a kayak.
It's going, baby.
smarter, not harder, dude.
Good thinking, babe. All right, party time.
We're going to switch over to my GoPro, which is waterproof. So they said, we gonna find out, but I'm excited. I don't know what I was gonna say. There's nothing else to say. If you're interested in this part of the video where me and Sandy go on this little kayak thing and you wanna find out how it goes, continue watching. But if not, you can skip to this number right here and then we'll get back to the camping stuff. I don't know how well you guys can hear me. I'll try to talk as loud as I can. I am now panicking. We are the furthest people from shore. If this video never goes live.
I wanna go back.
Yeah, baby, let's go back.
What the freak is that, dude?
What?
Is there a shark in here?
Day 236. I've been lost at shore. No, lost at sea. It's been about 30 minutes. It's actually been like 5 minutes. And I learned how to do the kayaking thing.
I've seen people jump out of boats and stuff, so oh god.
I've never seen someone jump out of a $20 kayak. Sandy wanted me to show you guys that we've made it to land.
No, that I brought us.
I was so scared out there, but I'm getting off this.
No, I'm gonna take this for a stroll. I'm actually good at it now.
No, I just want to swim.
Well,
Can we swim and then get into it?
You can jump. You can jump.
Okay.
No, wait, not yet. More in there. I'm gonna take us for a stroll.
No, I just want to get out.
I'm gonna take us for a stroll.
So in today's video, we're gonna be testing out this brand new boat. It's powered by a new Sandy. Maybe I should get into boat reviews.
Ew.
That can be my new thing, like boat reviews and GoPros. All right, I don't know if you guys can see it over there, but it does not look pleasant. So we're gonna head on back to base.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So we're out here walking on sand in the middle of nowhere. This is super cool. We got our own little island. We had to sell the truck to get it, but it's all right.
Put my legs up straight. Babe, stop, don't do that. What is that?
That's a jellyfish.
It is?
Yeah.
Will it come?
Whoa, that's a jellyfish, mate. Can I touch it?
It's just weird. Did it look like the island was moving? Oh no, we're moving.
Well, we're back. We're back. I hope you guys enjoyed that little snippet. Do not rip me a new one in the comments. I went from the first camping location to this camping location and we had to stop by. There was like a 3-hour gap, so Chipotle happened, but they had only one more site at this location and it happened to have water and electric. So as you guys can see, Senor Fan is charging up. We got some clothes drying up right there. That kayak thingy right there. Sandy back there. All right, so there's a lot of nature. Obviously, there's a lot of nature. I don't think Sandy has seen this just yet, but we're about to get her reaction with this as well. You guys probably do a lot more outdoorsy type things than I do. So let me know what caused this. Is there something in it? And should I be afraid as I'm sleeping a couple feet away from it? Now, I'll stop blabbering, but take a look at this gnarly hole. Dang, those things are loud. But yeah, let me know what that hole is. I feel bad covering it up, but for my own safety, I'm like, should I cover it up? If you guys couldn't tell from the whole kayak thing situation, it was cool, it was fun, yo, that is so loud. So now pretty much it is 7:59 and well, I'm going to shower. We got some trash that I need to take somewhere. I did buy some more gear. This light, it's not as bright as I would like. I mean, it's all right. I know you guys don't think I'm the most capable person, but check that out. So I got light set up. So this is going to directly light up here, which is, you know, the most important area. Sandy thinks it's silly. I think it's genius. Okay, who knows? Maybe, let me not say that. I was about to say maybe I have to work on the truck. This is wood. I can see it's wood because I have, you know, my thing. But let's say I have to go on, I don't know. I don't know what I need it for. I'll be honest, but I have it. I'm thinking about just doing this every day. Like some people wear a headband. It's just an addition to my headband. Bada boom, bada bing. Let me take a look. Not a bad gig.
I gave in, guys. How do I look? It's such a fashion statement. Going dumpster diving. Or no.
I'm not. I'm just gonna go throw away a bag of trash.
I meant to say we're going on a run to the dumpster.
I hate to break it to you, but I don't think we're as close as I thought we were.
I don't think we are either. Can we go back? I have a little dilemma going on. So we bought Lunchables from Walmart and I really want to eat mine right now. But he's about to shower right there. I'm not going to tell him to move the water container so I can get into the cooler. But I kind of want to tell him.
What happened?
I need to get to my nachos.
Where are your nachos? Oh.
No, I'm just kidding. Don't. I'll wait until you're done showering.
No, it's all
No,
right.
I'll wait until you're done showering. Oh, God. Oh, God.
You want to grab this bite too?
I'm so sorry, babe. Oh, my God. This is actually so good. Like, everything I'm recording,
Is lit
my
up?
headband is lighting it up.
And you made fun of my headbands.
Yeah, look at how you look.
Oh, wow. It's real good.
It's really
They gotta pay extra for this type of film. Where do all these things go? There was a mosquito on me and I smacked my camera hand. I am so sorry. Alright, so this is officially going to conclude night 1. We are about to hit the hay. It is actually only 9:30. We never go to sleep this early. But apparently tonight we do. So I'm going to go ahead and lock up the truck even though I feel... Oh yeah, I got to put the camera away. So I'm going to put the camera away now. And I shall see you guys in the morning. Well, it's 7:41. This campsite definitely a lot louder. I think the earliest I woke up from someone jogging by listening to the definition of hope, like an audible definition of hope. Like the definition of hope is at like 5:51. That USB fan thing that we have, that rechargeable one, died like right away, so we had to recharge it. But Sandy brought a portable charger, so we just connected it to the portable charger the whole night and let it run, and it actually, at some points I had to put a blanket on from how cold we were, so that's good. Bada boom, bada bing. So we got Sprite, water, juice, cherries, grapes, a Lunchable that is mine. We got some queso dip that actually was pretty banging. And then we got a lot of ice. Turns out this state park actually has ice for free apparently. So that's interesting and exciting. We're about to gear up and we're about to go for a run. So they got this like really cool hangout area. Then they got that thing over there where you can do like a fire pit if you have like a million friends. But they also have laundry. I like your shirt.
Oh, thank you. It's my merch.
So this is what I like about this state park. It's 8:38. If you go to a beach, like a public beach, at like 7, packed. Absolutely packed. You're not getting anywhere close to the beach. It's all crowded. People are blasting music. We're the first one. And we are by no means early birds. Also, for the people wondering about the kayak adventure, you see those sticks all the way over there? Yeah, we went that far. All the way down there by that second one. So we were quite far. And then out in the distance, you could see this ginormous storm coming our way. Thankfully, it didn't get too close, and it didn't even rain last night.
It didn't.
All right, so it's time to pack up. We got to get rid of all of this. We got to say goodbye to the water and the electricity, which I'm about to put this battery to charge because, well, we got an hour left before we got to go, but take some time to pack up. We got to get rid of this battery, trash, that tent, chairs. Bed is looking absolutely atrocious, and we got to get these tents packed up. You ever have so much to do you don't even know where to get started? All right, so we've arrived at our new location. I had to take everything down. We moved from one spot to another. We got the camp set up, but me and Sandy are getting a little bit out of control. So we went and we bought this. Now, you're probably laughing, you're probably making jokes. I've never grilled in my life, but we're gonna try to find a way to do it. We got a little campfire thingy mabobber here. So we're gonna try to make s'mores and hot dogs. Do I have any idea how to do this? No. Am I gonna get roasted in the comment section? Yes. So I think we fill this up with water. All right, well, let me just be honest with you guys. I'm not a grill person. I cannot grill. This is now on. I lost the hot dog. I'm gonna clean it up, don't worry. And I don't know how to turn it off, but I'll figure it out. It's gonna start to rain. I don't know if that's bad or not. Me and fire pits, we're not cohesive. All right, so we're back home, and well, let's talk about what happened the last night/day. Let me address the hot dog situation. Yeah, I'm not the best griller person, so we're gonna need some tutorials on how to properly grill. Used the whole bag of charcoal, used almost all the lighter fluid, and got a fire that lasted like 2-3 minutes. And on the last day, we ended up just hanging out and camping. I didn't record much because I recorded a lot the prior 2 days, so we just wanted to hang out and chill out. I hope you understand. But we did end up packing up, taking everything, and doing everything all nice and dandy. And may I add, a lot more efficiently and effectively. Sandy is really recommending and suggesting getting a rooftop tent, and will that come? I'm not entirely sure. There is something that's going to go up there literally this week, so stay tuned if you're interested. But I gotta say, overall it was a super successful trip. It was super fun and I cannot wait. Literally, I'm already booking more and more spots. Any places you guys recommend around Northern Virginia, let me know. I'm down, I'm all game. I appreciate you guys watching these videos. It's only gonna go up from here, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for this channel as we transition into this like whole camping, vlogging type thing. It's been your boy. I'm out of liking out. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. 4 o'clock, it's 96 degrees out, and I'm about to work on this truck. Wish me luck.